natin ngayon ay kung paano po magluto ng ADAS or lentils.
Hello guys! Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you!
Ito po yung ating mga sangkap. Mixed lentils, and then potato and carrots into chili green, mixed ADAS, tomato, bell pepper, tomato paste, chopped onion, and then first we need to do was saute onion on oil. First we need to drop the onion and then we drop the oil. Mix and saute until become light brown. And then we need to drop a 1 or half teaspoon, almost 1 teaspoon black pepper. And then 1 teaspoon or little turmeric. And then curry powder. We need to drop 1 teaspoon curry powder para malasahan yung curry niya. So, tsaka may aroma. Yun yung nakakasarap dun. After that one, we need to mix it well. Saute. And then we need to drop the tomato para po maluto yung tomato tsaka mag-melt po siya. So we need to drop the tomato as become melt. Halo-halo na yung sinasabi ko, may Arabic. So sorry. And then after that one, we need to drop the carrots and potato. We need to mix it well together, and then it must be a little bit done. And then we need to drop 1 Maggi cubes para magkalasa, and drop little water. Habang ginigisa natin yung ating gulay, so if necessary, we can add more water, guys. So, lagyan natin siya ng konting tubig. And then we need to drop a little, few pieces of curry leaves kung meron po tayo sa bahay. But if we don't have, we can use bay leaves or ano ba sa Tagalog? Laurel, ayun. Pwede rin yung laurel, guys. Para may aroma yung niluluto natin. So, we need to mix. And then we need to drop the mixed lentils. Anyway, guys, yung ating mixed lentils ay isang yellow lentil and red lentils at saka yung munggo. Walang lentil sa atin o kung tawagin sa India, ADAS. So, pero siguro meron na tayo sa Pinas niyan kasi marami ng Indiano sa atin. Ayan. Arabic food kasi siya. But absorb na lang din ng mga taga Middle East sa India. But usually India yung gumagawa nito. So we need to mix well. But if you need more salt or anything else, we can add, guys. It's up on our taste. cover, and then after few minutes, let's check kung done na ba yung ating ADAS, guys. So, we need to mix. So, hindi pa siya. Medyo, kulang pa. So, and then we need to drop our bell pepper or capsicum at sal. Yun. Ewan ko ano sa Tagalog, at sal din ata. So, kailangan siya i-drop. May amoy kasi, guys, pag meron siyang bell pepper. Maganda yung amoy. Then, don't forget to add more water. Kasi ina-absorb ng ating ADAS yung tubig. Kasi mabilis siyang mag-absorb. Para siyang munggo din. Parang one of the variety of munggo. Mung ang tawag nila dito. And then, ito na sinasabi ko, add little salt or more salt, sorry. It's up on our taste. And then mix. Alam nyo, guys, mas masarap yung ADAS kung malambot na siya. Drop little or 1 tablespoon tomato paste para medyo masarap yung lasa. Then mix. And then we need to leave for a while para talagang maluto yung ating ADAS. And then, ito na po siya. So, idadrop na natin yung dalawang chili green. Huwag lang po natin buksan yung chili green. We need to leave chili green as is. Kasi sometimes hindi natin alam maanghang siya. Ayun, luto na, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you!